So now we'll be discussing what are frames, what types of framing system is used on board ships. So basically frames are a structure which support the platings, that is skin of the ship. They are kind of a stiffness vertically, and what we say, like for side shell plating is supported by the frames running from the bottom margin to the deck plating, and it is broken at the twin decks, and they are basically bulb angle, and the the whole section is kind of thick, which is 300 and they are apart from each other at is 76 these frames, and these frames are connected bottom uh, to the margin, which two sided, and at the upper deck, and this is basically tells, this is just for your explanation, I guess. कैसे बोलना है यार. The side shell is supported by frame which run vertically from the tank margin to the upper deck. These are usually angle section. The length of frames, the whole frames are of a large section, typically 300. Okay, they are constructed. So ये बोलने के बाद कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा. टाइप्स ऑफ फ्रेमिंग लॉन्गिट्यूडनल एंड ट्रांसवर्स. लॉन्गिट्यूडनल के अंदर जब जाऊँगा तो बोलूँगा longitudinal frames run from aft to forward of the ship. The first thing, positive thing, is that it is a continuous frames. It is not broken like the this stiffeners vertically running, and apart from that, this longitudinal transfers are supported by the web frames, separated from each other at least 3.8 meter from each other, and apart from that, this provide a longitudinal strength to the ship. Different kind of painting and all this kind of stresses, racking and all, supported by this. Another thing is that the transverse longitudinal, these are run along the breadth of the ship, and these are mostly common thing is that they avoid the racking stresses and ponding stresses of the ship, and that's it. क्या है यार, क्या क्या मिस किया. इट लॉन्गिट्यूडनल अलॉन्ग द लेंथ ऑफ द शिप. ओके, ये बोलना भूल गया. एंड लेंथ ऑफ ग्रेटर देन 70 मीटर्स लॉन्ग. इट ट्रांसफर वेब्स आर सपोर्टेड. ओके, इन शिप्स ऑफ 100 मीटर्स और लेस. 100 मीटर से यार. ओके, ये ट्रांसफर वेब 100 मीटर से या उससे कम वाले में रहता है. फीचर्स दैट इज कंटिन्यूटी. ओके, शिप 7 मीटर्स इन लेंथ, लेस देन 70 मीटर से पहले तो है लॉन्गिट्यूडनल स्ट्रेंथ, वो 70 मीटर या 70 मीटर से ज़्यादा वाले में रहता है, और ये 70 मीटर से कम वाले में रहता है. ट्रांसवर्स फ्रेम स्टिफनिंग सिस्टम मे बी फाउंड इन शिप्स ऑफ लेंथ इन लेंथ. स्वेपिंग आर द स्टिफनेस रनिंग अलॉन्ग द ब्रेथ ऑफ द शिप. ओके, मिक्स्ड तो दोनों का हेल्प हो जाएगा. ठीक है. नाउ कमिंग टू द नंबरिंग. ये वॉरशिप वाला ये पूरा गलत है, तो ये वाला नहीं बोलने अपने को. फिर और क्या बचा. So this is the correct how it's named. So that's it. Thank you.